Today we are looking at combining polynomials. Remember, a polynomial is the sum or difference of monomials. The kind of problems you'll see would be a couple sets of parentheses, with each set having a group of monomials inside being added or subtracted together, and then the two sets are being added together as well. The steps that you'll take to combine these would be first to combine your like terms. That's where you add or subtract your like terms together. Remember, a like term are the ones that have the same variable if you're talking about ones without exponents. And if you do have exponents, you need to have the same base and the same exponent. So once you've combined those within each group of parentheses, the next step is to clear out your parentheses, and you do that by using your distributive property. You would distribute a negative or constant to each term. And then finally, you combine your remaining like terms by addition. And just be careful to pay attention to the signs here to make sure that if it was a minus, that you take that minus with it, so you're actually adding that negative. To further explain the steps, I do want to do a couple of quick examples. First, I want to do 4a minus 5 plus a negative 7a plus 5. So that first step says combine like terms within parentheses. So you just look at each set of parentheses separately. So on the first one, I've got 4a minus 5. Well, there's no like terms on that. And so I'll move on to the next one, negative 7a plus 5. Again, we have no like terms because they all have either a variable or a constant. So there's no like terms within each individual set. The next step is to clear the parentheses. And like I said, this is by distribution. And so looking at the parentheses, there's nothing to distribute. There's no numbers outside or no negative signs outside to distribute to the terms. So I'm just going to rewrite it without the parentheses. So I've got 4a minus 5. Now I do have plus and a minus together, which is just a subtraction problem now. So that's a negative 7a plus 5. Then we combine the like terms. 4a and a minus 7a is a negative 3a. And then negative 5 plus 5, well, that's 0. So that means that our answer is negative 3a. And then over here I've got 7c minus 5 minus a negative 8c plus 5. Again, starting with the same first step of combining your like terms within parentheses. Looking at the first set, 7c minus 5. Well, again, we do not have any like terms there. Looking at the next one, we do not have any there either. So we move to the next step of clearing the parentheses. Looking for things to distribute. Outside the first set, there's nothing there to distribute, so I can just write down 7c minus 5. Then on this next one, we do have a negative, and really, you should remember that there is a 1 right there. So if we did negative 1 times a negative 8c, we get a positive 8c. And then we have negative 1 times 5 gives us a negative 5. Now to combine the like terms, 7c plus 8c is 15c. And negative 5 minus 5 is a negative 10. Nothing else to combine, so our answer is 15c minus 10.